Do you want to fix a server reconnection filet in Tarisland? Okay, we are going to solve this problem, okay? Step by step. Okay, the first step for the solve this problem, the of server reconnection filet, okay? We are going of your desktop, okay? And here in the point exe of Tarisland, okay, you right click here and you go here, okay? On ubication of your file. And here, okay, we are going to the app, okay, the point exe Taris launcher, okay, and you right click and you go to the properties, and here in the properties, okay, we are going to the compatibility, and here in the compatibility we are going to the here, okay, and you select Windows 8, okay, and you go to here, okay, this option, and you click to apply and you click to accept, okay, and here right click and run as administrator, okay, and you solve the problem of server reconnection file. Bye bye.